What is theme independent data layer? A theme independent data layer means the tracking code is separate from the theme. So if we change or update the theme, our tracking will still work. Let's learn how to enable theme independent data layer on Shopify store. Navigate to Google Tag Manager and copy the Google Tag Manager code of the store container. Then logging to our Shopify store admin panel. Inside the online store, themes. From our current theme, click on three dot icon. Then move on edit code. Inside the layout section, then theme liquid and paste the Google Tag Manager code after the head tag. Then save. Then click on Shopify logo and go back to Shopify admin. Navigate to settings. Then customer events. Add pixel and let's name the pixel as we wish. Then add pixel. Delete this random code and paste here our custom code. There is a small change. Its GTM code. Back to Google Tag Manager and copy GTM code and paste here GTM code instead of the example code. Then move on permission. Enable not required. Also move on data cell and enable last option. Then click on save and connect. Again connect. Move on customer events. Here we see our data layer custom code connected. Back to Google Tag Manager and go to preview mode. Must be enter here our store URL, then connect. Google Tag Manager is now connected to our store. Let's check if our data layer is enabled or not. Let's view a product and move on Google Tag Manager preview mode. Continue. Here we see view item event. Now let's add a product to add to cart and check the event. Also here we see add to cart event. Let's check begin checkout and purchase. Here we see begin checkout event. Also purchase event. That means we are successfully enable data layer on our Shopify store. Alhamdulillah.